Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. Pomegranates are like the jewels of the fruit world, both in appearance and health benefits. These ruby red fruits have a rich history dating back thousands of years, originating in the Middle East. Appearance. Picture a large, round fruit with a tough, leathery skin. Once you crack it open, you'll find juicy, jewel-like seeds, called arils, surrounded by a membrane. The arils are the edible part of the fruit and range from sweet to tangy in flavor. History. Pomegranates have a fascinating cultural and historical significance. They've been revered in various mythologies and religions, symbolizing fertility, abundance, and prosperity. In some cultures, they're even believed to have medicinal properties. Nutritional punch. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and dietary fiber, pomegranates are a nutritional powerhouse. They're a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and other beneficial plant compounds. Number 1. Antioxidant powerhouse. Pomegranates boast an impressive arsenal of antioxidants. These compounds, including polyphenol and anthocyanins, act as warriors against free radicals in the body. Free radicals, like the troublemakers they are, can cause oxidative stress, which has been linked to various chronic diseases. Pomegranates, with their robust antioxidant content, play a vital role in neutralizing these free radicals, promoting overall health and well-being. Number 2. Heart Health Elixir. Your heart deserves all the love it can get, and pomegranates are here to deliver. Studies suggest that regular consumption may contribute to lower blood pressure levels and reduced cholesterol. The antioxidants in pomegranates may help keep your arteries clear of plaque, supporting a healthy cardiovascular system and reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 3. Inflammation Buster. Chronic inflammation is a silent but significant contributor to many health issues. Pomegranates come to the rescue with their anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds within the fruit have been found to reduce inflammation, potentially alleviating conditions associated with chronic inflammation, such as arthritis. Number 4. Cancer Warrior. While more research is needed, some studies indicate that pomegranates may play a role in cancer prevention. The antioxidants in these ruby red gems are believed to inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells, particularly breast and prostate cancer. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet might be a tasty way to add an extra layer of defense against these diseases. Number 5. Memory Boost. Want to give your brain a boost? Pomegranates may hold the key. Research suggests that the antioxidants in pomegranates could have neuroprotective effects, potentially improving memory and cognitive function. So, the next time you're looking for a brain-boosting snack, reach for some pomegranate arils. Number 6. Joint Comfort. For those with arthritis or joint pain, pomegranates might offer some relief. Thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties, these fruits could help reduce symptoms like joint pain and stiffness, making movement a little more comfortable. Number 7. Digestive Delight. Pomegranates are rich in dietary fiber, a friend to your digestive system. Fiber promotes a healthy gut by supporting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Including pomegranates in your diet can contribute to a happy and well-functioning digestive tract. Number 8. Immune System Support. Tired of catching every bug that's going around? Pomegranates might just be your immune system's new best friend. Packed with vitamin C, these fruits provide a natural boost to your immune system, helping your body fend off infections and illnesses. Number 9. Skin Superfood. Say hello to radiant skin with the help of pomegranates. The antioxidants in these fruits contribute to healthier skin by reducing signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Including pomegranates in your diet or applying pomegranate-infused skincare products can give your skin that extra glow. Number 10. Weight Management Ally. If you're on a journey to manage your weight, pomegranates can be a valuable ally. The fiber content helps you feel full, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Snacking on pomegranate arils can satisfy your sweet tooth while contributing to a balanced and healthy diet. In conclusion, the health benefits of pomegranates are indeed insane, covering a wide range of areas from heart health to cognitive function and beyond. Including these vibrant fruits in your daily diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to enhance your overall well-being. So, go ahead, indulge in the juicy goodness of pomegranates, and let your health flourish.